Okay, so we have a question here, quite similar to the last one we treated, but I think this one is a bit challenging. So let's look at it, but it's not too much to worry us. A cottage is on a bearing of 200 degrees and 110 degrees from Dogways and Manus farm, respectively. If Dogway walked 5 kilometers and Manu 3 kilometers from the cottage to their farm, find correct two significant figures. That's what this FS signifies. Two significant figures. The distance between the two farms. Number two, the nearest degree. Find correct to the nearest degree the bearing of Manu's farm from Dogway. So we are going to, from the cottage, we are going to get a bearing of 200 degrees to Dogway's farm and 110 degrees to Manu's farm. That's what we're going to do. That's what the children require. So let's keep our cottage here. Let's see the cottage. Then 200 from the cottage to the where? Somewhere around here. This is 180. So 200 is somewhere here, right?
Yes.
And who is 200?
Dogways.
D. Let this be D. Remember, I said who walked 5 kilometers?
Dogways.
So 5 kilometers will be longer. Let me make it a bit longer because. So this is Dogway and this is 5 kilometers. Now, the next person is Manu. They say there is 110. 110. So 110, this is 90. So 110 will be somewhere around here. Somewhere after 90. So at 3. And how far did he walk? Every 3 kilometers. So it won't be as long as 5. So this is fair enough. Let me keep it at this is 3 kilometers. Now, they ask us, correct the two significant figures. We should find the distance between the two farms. This is the first farm and this is the second farm. What's the man's name? M. Let this be L. So we're looking for this distance. And if you're doing bearing and distance, you should have a good knowledge of what? Of sine rule and cosine rule. Because let's check this in. Using answering a question as such, you should know when to use sine rule. Let me just say when to use sine rule and when to use cosine rule. If you have an angle and you have the parameters bordering it, you are given this place and you are given here. Then you have an angle in the middle. You use what? Cosine rule. Use cosine rule when you have an angle in the middle and the parameters bordering. Now, if there's an angle here, and you're given the length of this place and the length of this place. You use what? Cosine rule because you have angle in the middle and the distance given bordering it. Are you with me? So you use cosine rule for this case. Then if they put the angle here and you're given this 2, what will you use? Cosine rule because you have an angle and you have parameters bordering it and you're given the information. Use cosine rule. I'm not going to go when to use cosine rule. If you always set your triangle to A, B, and C. Let the opposite side be the small letter. Here will be small c, here will be small b, and here will be what? Small a. You can set all of them. A, B, C. Then your small a, B, and C. You write all of them. If you have a complete pair, then you use what? If you don't have a complete pair at all, let's say you're giving capital letter A, you don't have small letter E. You're giving capital letter B, you don't have small letter B. You're giving small letter C, you don't have capital letter C. Then you use your what? Cosine when there is no complete pair. If you put everything out, you see that no complete pair. Complete pair is when you have B and B. Capital letter B and small letter B. When you have capital letter A, small letter A. Capital letter C, small letter C. Then you use your what? If you have a complete pair, you use sine rule. But when you don't have a complete pair, you use cosine rule. Or another way to use cosine rule, when you have an angle in the middle and you're giving the parameters bordering the angle, you use what? Cosine rule. I just want to cheat. That's what we're going to do. So let's have a what? A 10 degree here, and 100 and what?
200.
And a 200 degree. So to get this place, we are going to say 200 degree minus 110. 200 minus 110 will give us what?
90.
Give us a 90 degree. If we have a 90 degree here, then it's a what? Right angle triangle. Then we are looking at the right angle triangle. So we are looking at something like this. This is 3, this is 5. I will going to look for the longer side. We don't have here, but this is the right angle triangle. So we can say our what? Our Pythagoras theorem. We say 3 square plus what? 5 square equals to what? X square. So here it is. So this was 9 plus 25 equals x square. 9 plus 25 is what? 34. So 34 equals x square. Now look for this square root of 34 is the value of our x. What square root of 34? 5.1? 5.83. 83 what? 83 what? 0. And they say find two significant figures, the distance between the two fans. So two significant figures with 5.8. So our answer is 5.8 kilometers. 5.8 kilometers. Someone asked how we got the 90, and let me go by it again. If this place is what 110, then from here through to this place is what 200. Now the difference, we're going to take the difference between the angles 100, 200, subtracting 110 will give you whatever is left of this place. And we luckily got the 90. That reduced our stress for us. Otherwise, I thought we were going to be using cosine rule. Having a 90 makes it easier. So we went on to using what? So that's why we use the Pythagoras theorem, because we had a 90 degree. That signifies the right angle triangle. We go straight to Pythagoras theorem. There's no point using sine rule or cosine rule. Okay, the next question is find the nearest degree. The bearing of Manus span from dot base. So from D, we want to get to what? M. This is M. From D, we want to get to M. Remember, from D, we will start from where? The north of D. From here down to the line that connects D and M. You can see it. This is the line that connects D and M. From the north of D, they say bearing of Manus span from without word, up or from. Take note of that, then you pick your bearing from there. They start from the north of wherever you are starting from. North down to what? They say from Dobe. So from Dobe, we go down to what? Manus span, which is D. So the line that connects D and N is where you stop. We start from D, and where from D? The north down to this place. Now that's the bearing. But we don't know this angle. So if we know this, we can get this place, our work will be easy. How do we know? We already understand the fact that there is a Z angle here. That means this place is equal to what? This other smaller angle here. This place is before this 90 degree. Remember, the whole of this gave us was 200. Are you with me? The whole of this gave us 200. So from here to here is what? 180. I've got a straight line. 180. What will be left? 180. 200 minus 180 is what? 20. So if here is 20, that will be 20 again. This place will be what? 20. Have you seen it? The Z angle. Look at the Z angle. Alternate angle. Let me use this one marker. You can see the alternate angles. The alternate angles. You can see. Let me make it here. Just like we have something like this. Make it big. Then we have this. And we have this. But now, what we're looking out for is if here is 200, if here to here is 200, this is 180. That means here is 20 degrees. Then here also be what? 20 degrees. This is your Z angle. Alternate degree, 20 degrees. Now we have that information. This is our 3. I'm just trying to get clear up here. This is our 3. This is our 3 kilometer. Then This is Manu's farm. We are asked to find the bearing. So since we know here is 20 degree already, it will be easy to find this place. Having known that the whole of this is what 90 degree. Alright. Okay. We want to answer this number to the nearest, find to the nearest degree, the bearing of Manu's farm from Gobe's farm. And we have this information from the initial question. So the bearing of Manu from Gobe, this is Gobe. So we definitely start at what? D. Start from D down to the line that connects Manu. So we're starting from D down to Manu. But one thing we don't know is we don't have this information. We don't have this angle here. We do not have this angle. But we have something. We have here. We all know that from here to here is 200. Definitely, this angle on a straight line. 180 minus 200 minus 180 is what? 20. If here is 20, this place is 20. We have that place already. So we're going to look for this angle. If we can find theta, then we add it to 20. That will be the bearing. So if you cut this is a right angle triangle, I'm going to keep the shape the way it is. Here is a 90 degree for this point C. Here is N, and here is what? D. So we have theta here. Let's look for this theta. Here is 5 kilometer, and here was 3 kilometer. So I'm going to use tan toward opposite over what? Adjacent. So it's going to be what? Tan. I hope this is clear enough. Tan 3. Tan theta will be what? 3 over 5. So the angle will be what? Arc tan. Arc tan of what? 3 over 5. What will that give us? Arc tan of 3 over 5 is what? 30.96. What again? 30.96. So if I approximate it, we're going to get what? 31 kilometers. I mean, sorry, 31 degree. So we're going to get 31 degree. So now, this question, the answer will be what? 20 degree plus 31 degree will be equals to what?
51
degree. That should be